Finding reliable home care shouldn't be complicated. HomeCareDirect was created to connect families directly with professional carers while reducing the complexity and cost of traditional care agencies. Roobykon Software joined the project to modernize the platform and introduce new functionality that supports both families and caregivers. Unlike many of our marketplace projects, HomeCareDirect is powered by Ruby on Rails. The platform uses PostgreSQL, Turbo Rails, AWS infrastructure, Action Cable for real-time functionality, and modern JavaScript to create a secure, scalable solution capable of supporting thousands of users. This project involved rebuilding critical parts of an existing system. We developed flexible contract management, secure document storage for carers, a reverse marketplace where families can publish care opportunities, and advanced reporting tools for administrators. Each feature was designed to simplify complex support service workflows. The homepage immediately focuses on what matters most, helping people find quality home care. Visitors can quickly understand how the platform works, explore available services, and begin searching for professional carers with confidence. HomeCareDirect clearly explains how families and carers connect directly, making the entire hiring process easier while giving users greater control over contracts, communication, and ongoing care arrangements. Instead of only browsing carers, families can also publish their own care requirements. This reverse marketplace approach allows qualified carers to discover opportunities that match their experience, creating a more flexible and efficient hiring process. Each carer profile contains detailed information, professional qualifications, uploaded documents, and availability. Once families find the right person, they can easily continue the hiring process through the platform's secure workflow. The About page shares HomeCareDirect's mission, making trusted, professional care accessible to every family, and giving carers a simple, transparent way to find work they can build a career on. Service platforms demand more than great design. They require trust, security, and reliability. If you're planning a marketplace in home care or another service industry, Roobykon Software is ready to help bring your vision to life.